Ayan, hi Derek.
Hello.
Ayan, start tayo sa ano. Game. Mestiza o morena?
Stisa.
Matangkad o sakto lang?
Tangkad.
Text or tawag?
Tawag.
Hug or kisses?
Kiss.
Butts or boobs? Silent or noisy?
Silent.
Wet or dry?
Wet.
Akbay o holding hands?
Holding hands.
Ice cream or cakes?
Cakes.
Lips or tongue?
Tongue.
Instagram, Twitter or Snapchat?
Snapchat.
Standing or sitting?
Standing.
Sinong last mong ka-text before this?
Mama.
Describe your first kiss in one word.
Incestuous.
First thing you do pagkagising.
Huh?
First thing you do pagkagising.
Check phone.
First thing you get inside the fridge. Eh!
Tao rin yung baso.
Oh, you have to show some part.
Shoulders.
Ay, grabe naman. Sige, sige, sige.
Part ng body yun.
Honor natin.
Sabi
honor.
ko kamali ko.
Sige, next. Pick a
Sino ba
side.
yan?
Mga konti lang yan.
Grabe yung
Game. Pick a side. Iron Man or Captain America?
Iron Man.
Superman or Batman?
Superman.
Kanino ka huling kinilig?
Sa Suksuka.
When was the When was the last time na sinabi mong ang sexy ko talaga?
Kanina.
When was the last time you lied?
Ngayon. Galing na
Would
lang.
hindi lahat ng sagot, lie lahat.
Would you prefer to be smart or be happy?
Smart.
Choose a superpower.
Invisibility.
Marry a fictional character.
Kendall Jenner.
Strangest.
Fictional eh, tanga.
Hindi nga, wala. Hindi,
Meron
wala.
Kendall Jenner, fictional.
Hindi,
may
wala.
May cartoons ang Teen Vogue. Meron, promise. Trust
Pero
me.
hindi pa rin.
Ano lang? Likod. Likod muna.
Ano ba yan? Likod.
Tingnan ko na.
Next. Strangest pet peeves.
Wait lang. Hirap naman yun.
Ano tanong mo, sorry?
Strangest pet
Wait
peeves.
lang, nag-iisip ako. Hindi ka doon kasi mahirap
Sige,
yun
sige,
eh.
go.
Liar.
Ay, talaga.
Sabi mo yun.
Kaya mas strange siya kasi ginagawa ko din.
Game. Last nice thing anybody has said about you. Last nice. Ang hirap kasi English.
Last na compliment na natanggap mo.
Handsome.
Ala na?
Handsome.
Talaga. Niwala ka? Parang.
Nag-lie na naman ako. Ulit?
12 hours of sleep or luxurious bath with a supermodel.
Oh! 12 hours of sleep.
Weh, yung totoo na. Where would prefer to live? Beach, city, or country?
City.
Do you think yourself as being naughty or nice?
Naughty.
Celebrity crush.
Jesse Majola.
Have you ever been caught naked by someone?
Yes.
Date a Disney princess.
Rapunzel.
Last Instagram post you like?
Yung kay Jesse Majola.
Gigi Hadid or Cara Delevingne?
Gigi Hadid.
Selena Gomez or Ariana Grande?
Selena Gomez.
Have no taste buds or be colorblind?
Be colorblind.
One thing you really like about yourself?
I'm smart.
Huh? Be hairy all over or completely bald?
Completely bald.
Night or day?
Night.
Breakfast or dessert?
Breakfast.
What turns you on?
Butt.
Ay.
I like big butts and I cannot lie.
Worst thing you ever had to wear to school?
Ano?
Worst thing you ever had to wear to school?
Where? Susuotin. Ikaw.
Body part you choose to get a tattoo done?
Back.
Ay. Alam, wala na akong question mo.
Boom!